the residents I spoke with have lived there upwards of 50 years, and they say this last year or so is the worst it's ever been.
You can smell it in your home. You can smell it in your cars. If you're outside long enough, it's on your clothes.
When the wind's right, you got to go in the house. You can't take it.
Residents along Seneca Road in South Pymatuning Township will tell you it smells like sour milk or raw sewage, but agree it's coming out of this Dean's dairy plant. Bruce has lived across from the dairy since 2003 and tells me it's never been this bad.
You'd smell it every now and again back in the day, but it wasn't nothing like it is now. It's like almost every day, and it's pretty overwhelming.
Right down the road, Lisa Such moved into the neighborhood about 4 years ago and says the last year and a half is when she noticed the smell.
We keep our windows shut. You know, and especially when it was 90, 95 degrees, you couldn't open up your windows, you couldn't sit outside, it was that bad.
Such plans to bring it up at the next township meeting Wednesday, February 11th at 6 p.m. I reached out to Dairy Farmers of America, who says they're aware of these concerns and responded with this statement saying, quote, recent extreme temperatures have caused some equipment in the wastewater treatment facility to freeze, which is causing the odor to increase. We take these concerns seriously and are working closely with our suppliers and technical experts to manage the issue. So far, there's no indication that there's any health concerns tied to this stench and that it's more than just a quality of life issue, but we're looking to get more details from the health department. In South Pymatuning Township with more local news, I'm Corey McCrae.